The concept of time travel is a popular theme in science fiction, but is not scientifically feasible with our current understanding of physics. The following is a creative exploration inspired by fictional works and theoretical physics rather than a practical guide. Time travel has captivated human imagination for centuries. While science fiction is full of creative ideas, actual time travel remains beyond our technological and scientific capabilities. However, let's explore the imaginative process of building a time machine based on theoretical principles and understand the fictional laws and ethical considerations that might govern time travel. Part 1. Conceptualizing the time machine. Step 1. Understand the theory of relativity. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity plays a crucial role in the theoretical foundation of time travel. Special relativity suggests that as you approach the speed of light, time slows down relative to stationary observers. General relativity introduces the concept of spacetime, where massive objects can warp spacetime, potentially creating wormholes or shortcuts through time. Step 2. The wormhole concept. A wormhole is a hypothetical tunnel connecting two distant points in spacetime. In theory, a wormhole could connect different times, allowing for time travel. Building a wormhole requires exotic matter with negative energy density, a concept that is purely theoretical at this point. Step 3. Time dilation. Time dilation is the idea that time moves slower for objects in motion relative to a stationary observer. A spacecraft moving at near light speed could, in theory, experience time much slower than on Earth, allowing for a form of forward time travel. Step 4. The grandfather paradox. Before proceeding, consider the grandfather paradox. If you travel back in time and prevent your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, would you cease to exist? This paradox illustrates the complex causality issues associated with backward time travel. Part 2. Constructing the hypothetical time machine. Step 1. The power source. You would need a power source capable of generating immense energy, theoretically on the scale of a small star. Concepts like zero-point energy or harnessing a singularity, like a black hole, have been proposed in science fiction, but they remain purely theoretical. Step 2. Creating a wormhole. To create a wormhole, you would need exotic matter to keep it open and stable. Theoretical physicist Kip Thorne suggests that a wormhole could be stabilized using a form of negative energy. However, no known technology or material can achieve this. Step 3. Navigating spacetime. To travel through time, your machine must navigate the complex fabric of spacetime. The machine would need to be equipped with advanced quantum computers to calculate precise spacetime coordinates. Step 4. Protecting the traveler. Entering a wormhole or traveling near light speed could expose travelers to extreme forces, radiation, and other dangers. A theoretical shielding mechanism made of a material with properties similar to those of hypothetical metamaterials would be necessary. Part 3. Laws associated with time travel. Law 1. The Law of Causality. Causality must be preserved to prevent paradoxes, such as the grandfather paradox. Some theories suggest that the universe would prevent paradoxes through self-consistency, meaning events would unfold in a way that avoids any contradictions. Allure 2. The Chronology protection conjecture. Proposed by Stephen Hawking, this conjecture suggests that the laws of physics might prevent time travel on macroscopic scales to preserve chronology and avoid paradoxes. According to this theory, any attempt to create a time machine would fail due to natural laws. Law 3, the Multiverse Theory. Some theories propose that every action in time travel could create a new parallel universe or alternate timeline. In this case, changes in the past would not affect the original timeline but would create a new, divergent reality. Law 4, ethical and legal considerations. Ethical considerations would need to be in place to prevent misuse of time travel, such as altering significant historical events or exploiting future knowledge. Governments and international bodies would likely establish strict laws and regulations to govern time travel, including permissions, monitoring, and consequences for illegal tampering with the timeline. Law 5, Temporal Non-Interference. A law might be established to prevent travelers from interfering with key historical events, similar to the Prime Directive in science fiction. This would help maintain the integrity of the original timeline and avoid unintended consequences. Conclusion. While time travel remains a fascinating concept within the realm of science fiction, it is important to recognize the challenges and paradoxes that come with it. The hypothetical steps to build a time machine are based on speculative physics, and the laws associated with time travel highlight the potential ethical and legal issues that would arise if such a technology were possible. For now, time travel continues to be a captivating idea for storytellers and dreamers, inspiring us to ponder the mysteries of time, space, and the universe.